Okay, prayer. Dear God, thank you for this food and for the man who made it. What is that?
Found it in Grandma's big armoire.
I can't believe you let him keep it.
How was I supposed to know it was your father's?
My father was a carpenter. Of course it was his.
I'm scared, Father.
What are you scared of? Alex.
Do you believe in demons?
Demons, evil spirits, and the devil himself represent man's darkest desire.
Do you guys believe in ghosts?
This will always be part of Alex for the rest of his life.
And what the hell does an evil spirit want with you?
It wants to possess me.
We're up against something very powerful, very dangerous and deadly.
Free to take my place in the world he has prepared for us, to dwell in the house of the Lord forever.
The devil is very real, and he's here, amongst us, in our world, ever ready to strike.